40块钱一个，40块钱两个。
啊，
那这个摆明打劫要40块钱，买俩还合适吗？
对呀、这就 marketing 了。
marketing 也这样子 marketing。
是，这就是 marketing 了。
It's a toy like Lego. No, don't stop it. You make it go again. So yeah, funny gears. It's an education. It's like Lego, guys. Like you build something, then take it apart, build something else, but it all works on this little driver. So if you look, you see that pink one everywhere. You just have to attach the gears to it and make all the gears
来，
turn.
他们可以用。来
It's got an on-off switch.
是。是。
Sorry. Oh, barbecue.
好看吗？
It took time and I really had to use my imagination. Yeah, this car's cooler though. See?
哇！
You can build anything that you can imagine. They're one box for $30, two boxes for $40. Yeah,